What's up, guys? We're back. I'm gonna be reacting to my favorite girl right now, Sexy Red. Yeah, she's been doing her thing. I'm now a fan, surprisingly. I'm such a fan right now.
I think Sexy Red has a better chance than all the other female rappers.
You know,
She has a certain, like her delivery and her cadence. It's too.
She stands out a lot.
Yeah, exactly. Like she's too articulate. Especially when you put in the fact that she has that accent, like that Midwest accent. When you hear how she like pronounces words, she has the best chance out of all the female rappers.
And I was looking at her old video. I'm like, you know, the idea to wear glasses and have red hair.
It's
such a grand idea for her. But yeah, let's start. And then it comes out saying, ew, bald head. You know, she has very bad hooks, but they kind of land.
They work.
They land in a way, but they are very bad.
Yeah, musically they're horrible, but they work. Because they kind of like conversational in a sense.
Yeah, yeah.
It's not too...
with suckers, all my bitches be some hitters. I like fucking with drillers, dreadhead killers. You a lame nigga, then I can't fuck with you. Little bitch, watch my shoes, cause you don't want no beef. I don't fuck with bitches, and they can't fuck with me. I ain't one of these hoes that y'all think be in the street. Bitch, I'm from the north side, I still be in the street. Little girl don't even speak, your outfit hella weak. Look better than your bitch, I can tell her coochie stink. All my eyes be broke, I got more money than a brink. I know I'm the shit and I don't give a fuck what you think. Shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your dress. Shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your...
Yeah, we're definitely in a new era of hip-hop.
Yeah.
Where the female is rapping like in a very bravado type of manner. And then she has guys shaking in the video.
You know,
like it's something new.
You know, it's another thing. Female rappers are actually more... They stand out more these days. Even though they rap about the same shit, but they are more unique these days. Like,
that's true.
They're more unique, like...
And they're more mainstream.
They have their own style.
Yeah.
They have their own style.
They're distinct.
Like, there's no dreads, everyone has dreads, everyone has this, everyone has tattoos.
Because I'm thinking about it right now, like, there's a lot of guys who have, like, projects out, especially right now. But the females is the ones that you see the most.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, yeah, it's crazy. And I'm going to say this. I think Nicki Minaj's time is up.
Oh, yeah, and her...
I think her time is over.
And her husband. Why is she... Yeah, because
I think it's over. Like... Nah, the competition is too much.
It's and no one fucking likes Nicki.
That's another thing.
No one fucking likes her.
You have to pay me.
Y'all sexy riders out here looking for niggas with dreads.
You know what I mean? Like, guys are the vixens now, and girls are rapping about shooting people. Like, it's a different era.
You don't pay me, I should be doing this.
Bust your head, bust your head, bust your head. Bust your head, bust your head, bust your head. Bust your head, bust your head, bust your head. Bust your head, bust your head.
It's like that Whip My Hair video, that Willow Smith.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Except more trashy.
It's like grown
more
man.
Jerry Springer.
Bust your head. All black sun the shades, you the worker, you the maid. Remember when I was broke, not just
Hold
This
up.
life shit ain't no
Yeah.
game. Can't never catch me lacking. Nah, bitch, I keep that thing. You ain't gang, you ain't gang, you ain't gang. You a stain, you a stain, you a stain. Fuck this fame, fuck this fame, fuck this fame. I bust your brain, bust your brain, bust your brain. Fuck the ops, fuck the ops, fuck the ops. You the cops, you the cops, you the cops. Give me top, give me top, give me top. Bitch, I'm hot, bitch, I'm hot, bitch, I'm hot. Shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your dress. Shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your dress. Shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your dress.
Couldn't it be shake your hair? So
It's not as distinctive. Dreads is distinctive. Like it's explicit. Like you see it.
Yeah, but most people don't have dreads.
But that's the point. Because if you're gonna say shake your head,
I
then you're
whip
gonna.
my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back and
But
forth.
that's like, look at the targeted demographic for that. Because this is it has it has a certain demographic,
Niggas.
strip clubs, all that shit. And if you're gonna say shake your head, then you're gonna have a bunch of white girls, their blonde hair. Like it's gonna be a total mess.
Shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your dress. Bust your head, bust your head, bust your head. Bust your head, bust your head, bust your head. Bust your head, bust your head, bust your head. Bust your head, bust your head, bust your head. Shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your dress. Shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your dress. Shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your dress. Shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your dress. Bust your head, bust your head, bust your head. Bust your head, bust your head.
I did not expect to see this kind of studio for the type of music she makes.
What do you think is the strippers?
No, I'm talking like the quality and the standard of it.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
very like grassroots, like her music.
You told you records.
It's like someone who has like a mic in like an empty room and there's probably like
With bullet holes on the walls.
yeah, it has that type of thing. Because even like the sound of the quality of the mix itself is like it's not very like this world class thing.
Bust your head. Bust your head, bust your head, bust your head. Bust your head.
So is that how she dresses on a regular day?
She looks respectful. Like she's just so respectful and respectable and respecting. Respect.
Anyway, I will say the Sexyy Red is probably one of the next out there. I know
Yeah.
they're trying to like push like the Ice Spice thing, which is working mainstream and all that.
Thing is, I don't like the Ice Spice hate. Like Ice Spice has been hated for the longest. It was Sexyy Red is different because Sexyy Red, even niggas like Drake be sending her like watches,
Thing is,
giving her shout outs.
you know what the thing is, I'm finding it's like people are tired of like the clean look, as far as everyone is concerned. Now it's all about how trashy, how ratchet and
Yeah,
stuff
but
like that. you
Sukiana's
can
not
get.
getting a second look. I'm sorry.
Yeah, but
Sukiana's
Sukiana sucks.
Well, she does. But she killed that Hood Rats verse. No, I need a
Remember?
penny
I
line.
can't even remember. I don't want to remember. It was horrendous just watching that shit.
It wasn't.
But the point that I'm making is
He paid for my titties.
the like Sexyy Red is great because like it's relatable,
she's
it's
like this.
trashy.
She's like this.
No one wants to see your man camel toe. What the fuck is wrong with you? So yeah, she's gonna overtake Ice Spice because I feel like with Ice
No,
Spice,
she won't. Jesus Christ.
No, Ice Spice has the look. She has the industry buy-in.
She does have the look.
She has the mainstream appeal, but the problem
She does
is
have the mainstream.
I don't think she connects to the audience. I don't think she does. I don't think she does. People just don't move when they hear Ice Spice music. That's the problem.
I know where I move.
It's like, fuck.
I know
Anyway,
where I move.
please like, subscribe, and suggest a video that you'd like us to watch.
That shit is like this. It does a helicopter.
Show a picture of this
And just
guy
standing still.
to your nephew as do not be this guy. Anyway,